This morning I'll tell you how to make a gasket. Back in the day when you didn't have gasket material like this, I bought this at Auto Pro or something like that quite a while ago. Just a manilla folder or a piece of thick paper or something like that. Got to make a gasket for my axle. First thing I'll do is cut the centre out, roll that down the axle, and we'll have another look. Now this surface makes it pretty easy to make a gasket on the axle. I'll show you what I mean. Just around there, it's a nice clean edge. Same in the centre there, nice clean edge. And all these holes, nice clean edges. Ordinarily I'd have a ball peen hammer. I don't have it, so I'm just going to use my normal claw hammer and hold that gasket in place. Just tap, 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 tap all the way around. And I'll come back to you after I've done the outside edge. That's the outside part cut, just by banging it. Now I'll try to do the inside part. So now I get that cut. If you can see a little line around there, I'm going to cut that with a Stanley knife. Then I'll work on the holes. Alright, because I don't have a ball peen hammer, ordinarily I just tap around the holes. That isn't, it's too large a surface on it, so I'm just pushing down into the holes. It'll make again a mark on the gasket, and I'll cut around that with the Stanley knife. Longer way of doing it, but if you've got a ball peen hammer, it'll be a lot quicker. So make sure you get all the holes. I don't know if you'll be able to see it there, but there's impressions for the 3 holes there, a little hole, another 3 holes there, a little hole, and 2 separate ones. You can see it on the back of there too. See, like there. I need a Stanley knife and slowly cut that out. And there we go, that's the gasket. Ordinarily I'd use Loctite 515 either side of that as well, but I don't have Loctite 515. I've been using silastic, so a little thin layer of silastic either side of that.